a quick one. I'm going to show you how to restart Samsung TV. By default, your Samsung TV has only one button, and with this button, you can power off your Samsung TV and you can turn on your Samsung TV using the bottle beneath here. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to restart your Samsung TV completely using your TV remote. So if you have the original Samsung TV remote, you can use it to restart your TV. So I'm going to show you how to restart this TV completely using your remote control. So what you need to do is press the power button, this power button here, press it like this. Now, once the TV turns off, you are yet to completely restart this particular TV because you need to power cycle the TV. So, and I'm going to show you how to do this right in this video. Now, go ahead now and press the power button on your TV remote like this to turn it off. Once it turns off, just hold on for a couple of seconds. Now, the next you want to do is you want to locate the TV power cable. Here, so I'm going to disconnect my socket. Then remove this power cable for about 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, plug it back like this, turn it on. Once you turn it on, turn on your TV using the remote again. So once you press the power button on the TV remote, the TV will turn on and it will be restarted completely. So this is how to restart your Samsung TV using your remote control.